A big thing in tech is being able to fix your own stuff. You wouldn't buy a car without being able to maintain it, like change the oil or something, without losing a warranty or not being able to drive the car anymore. Just be like a mechanic has tools for his car. Techies have tools for their own gear. So before we go on, don't forget to like the video if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, link is down below to the merch store. Go get some merch. So what I have here are two different brands. One I bought at the store I work at. I'm covering it just to make sure no one knows what brand it is. So Offbrand, and the main brand toolkit that a lot of people use to fix their own gear. It's called Ifixit. They're really big in the right to repair movement and area. They list basically every company and item that they sell on how easy it is to repair, how easy it is to get help for items that you need to replace there and such. They're very much for the right to repair movement. A big thing that they have also is on their website for almost every item you can think of tech-wise, it has a manual. Yeah, a manual for each kind of item. So laptops, specific laptops, iPhones, tablets, you name it, they most likely have it. So let's go over, first off, what is in the off-brand one. So to begin with, this is $30 for this. Comes with an assortment of bits, adapters, let me get this out. No, don't hit me. A little pick to help get things off. If you need a really thin bezel to get into things, and a suction cup. And this is important. I need to find something. Okay. Holds it really well. Let me see if I can get this to. Yeah. Oh. I can't get it off. Oh, I'm gonna have to buy a new screen protector now. That's for sure. Lost all the adhesion there. Suction cup. Magnet. I don't think it's a good magnet, or at the very least not a strong magnet. Let me see if it'll adhere to something on here. I have a feeling this isn't the magnet. It said it's supposed to be. $30. That's how a magnet should act. Screwdriver, which is of course is in all black. Extension for that screwdriver. Tweezers, and a little metal scraper. Kind of how it looks like to me, with this little slightly tilted thing. And there's also two plastic scrapers, which are important for if you're doing things off glass. Now that's all $30. Let's see what the on-brand one has. And I can already tell you, I've looked into both of these. There's a lot. This is the Ifixit Pro Fix Kit. So this costs $70. I tried to go with one that would get as close as I could in terms of quantity. Let's start with the fun part. Magnets. Very strong magnets. Very strong. This is pretty hefty. This is like 4 or 5 pounds. Every screw bit you have on the foam is, you can't see it on this, I don't think. At least I can't see it on my screen. Has indicators of what size they are, what kind of bit they are, everything. They have a magnet, a hefty magnet that you can use to grab screws that you might have lost, and it happens a lot, especially to me. They have a 1/4 to 4 millimeter adapter. They have other adapters. They have, quite possibly, and this is really nice, so that other adapter is just a straight metal adapter. This is rubber. So you can get tight little fits and still be able to screw. That's awesome. I like the high dense foam. I mean, this is the densest foam I've ever seen in my life. Now, this is something I actually have been wanting to buy for a bit. I just never have because I couldn't really want to. You would strap this on to your ankle, your arm, your hand, whatever, like so. You would connect this to a power supply for a computer or something that you can ground yourself with, and you are grounded. That way you don't create static electricity and break your very, very most likely expensive parts for whatever you're fixing. Like, that is highly important when it comes to fixing stuff. That's not in the essentials kit that I got from that bargain brand. I probably wouldn't use it anyways. Suction cup. Where's my phone? It's a much easier grip. There we go. You just have to make sure you get it on there really well. But a lot easier to get off. Didn't take my screensaver off with it. Always have a screensaver, especially if you work retail. 3 plastic little scrapers. This tool is designed to break before your device does, because it's recycled. I like these little touches on this stuff. Comes with 3 different types of tweezers, a little plastic pick, a plastic scraper that makes me think that I'm a doctor because it looks like a scalpel, and hey, I'm at the dentist. That's perfect. A metal spatula with 2 different sides, and this is actually really nice. So, you know, I show you that metal one, those little metal picks you can use to help break things apart. This is a metal version of it. They do have the plastic ones in here. They gave me, looks like 6. The metal one's a lot easier to use, and honestly, metal's always nice. And it also comes with this kick-ass carrier case. I mean, this is awesome. Look at this. It has literally everything you could ever need to fix any computer, any tablet. All you would need is the components and maybe thermal pads and thermal paste. Now, 2 other things that they come with: stickers. I can deck out my own Ifixit kit, and an owner's guide. I think this is huge. It tells you what each part is, what it's for. I mean, the little pick thing I showed you guys earlier, it's called a splooger. It tells you all the unique bits it has and what, that's actually cool, what they are for usually. The Philips 000, by the way, is for eyeglasses and laptops. They also have, if you were to want to buy any, a magnetic project mat, which I might do later down the road. They also are a source for parts for some things. They are parts for iPhones, Android, smartphones, computers, GoPro, Kindle, consoles, drones, cameras. They have a lot. Honestly, this is amazing to me, especially that a company is going out of their way to make sure you are capable of fixing your own stuff. Why is it important? I can already hear some people asking. If my stuff breaks, I'll just go get a new one. If my stuff breaks, I'll just bring it to a repair person. I'm okay with those options. It's just you should have an option. Right to repair doesn't mean you have to repair yourself. There have been many YouTubers that have said this. I am not the first one. I'm just going to repeat everything they've ever said in a very quick manner. And honestly, I don't care if you don't listen to this. I'm saying it anyways. Right to repair means you have the right to fix your own stuff. You bloody paid for it. You should have the right to fix your own stuff. Why should a company that sold you an item have the right to tell you you are incapable of fixing something that you own? In some cases, it makes sense if it's something very sensitive that you shouldn't be playing with. However, if it's just replacing a goddamn battery, let them replace the goddamn battery. I'm sorry for using language here, but this aggravates me. I don't like being limited by companies in a way that shouldn't be okay. There are plenty of companies you can go to for off-brand Ifixit stuff. However, I will say, having now seen this, I'm going to very much believe that nothing is going to be able to come up to the Ifixit name. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget, link is down below for the merch store. Go get some good merch. If you guys like this video, go check out the Atrix gaming keyboard and gaming kit in general. I might be doing a video here where I take that apart using this glorious kit. Thank you guys again for tuning in and have a good day.